Hey guys, so today my video is directed towards guys only, men or boys or whatever you want to call yourself. Guys, you need to groom yourself. For example, your face. You need to take care of your face. Take care of your skin, moisturize your face, scrub it, and use a really good mask on it. If you have a specific hairstyle, you need to take care of it. You need to get it trimmed every few weeks. If you have a beard, take care of it, keep it a specific length, and there are some really good beard oils that you can use on your beard to make it grow longer. And if you are a guy who clean shaves, make sure you always shave yourself. Don't let your beard grow, because that will make you look like a homeless person. I'm not saying that bearded people look like homeless person, but person who shaves all the time but suddenly grows a beard, he looks kind of weird. You know what I'm saying? Then your mouth, a lot of guys, their mouth smells like really bad. And it's not even about grooming, it's basic dental hygiene. So take care of your teeth, guys, and use some mouthwash if you have to, and make sure your mouth don't stink. Also, with your hands, a lot of guys have dry skin on their hands. Their hands are like white here. So use a good lotion on your hands. And seriously guys, I am so annoyed at guys who have very long nails. What are you trying to become, a Wolverine? You guys need to cut your nail. It takes only 5 minutes to cut your nails. So take the time and cut your nails and trim them and later file them to make them look smooth. Okay, these are some basic things that you need to do. I'm not saying that you need to do it for someone else. You need to do it for yourself only. So take care of yourself, guys. It's good for you, it's good for your health, it's good for your social structure. If you're well groomed, people will be more attracted towards you. They will like to talk to you. They would want to get to know you. It's also very good for you because it will increase your self-confidence. You guys need to groom yourself, and just because you're a guy doesn't mean that you don't have to groom yourself. Guys need to groom themselves as much as girls need to groom themselves. So take care of yourself, guys, and in my next videos I will show you how to take care of your hair and how to take care of your nails. I have seen a lot of guys with long nails, so I thought that I really need to talk about it. Okay guys, have a nice day and I'll see you later.